Cosmos now includes the low-code, drag-and-drop visual web page designer and editor called GrapesJS. This tool is used by Microsoft, Pfizer, Volkswagen, Toyota, to name a few. In this demo, we show how to build a web page using the GrapesJS in Cosmos. It works by dragging page components onto the canvas. Once placed, items can be moved around, deleted, and configured using the style settings. After adding a headline and a paragraph, we add a new row with 2 columns, each with a card element. Below that, a new row is added with a single column. Next, we insert an image. In this case, we are uploading an image from our computer. You can also add images already uploaded to your website. Cosmos has built-in support for plain CSS and Tailwind. Support for other frameworks is planned. Switching between GrapesJS, CK Editor, or code editors is easy. Simply click the Menu button or Edit button and make your choice. Cosmos is open-source software, free to install and use. If you want to give it a try, let us know. We will help you install it in your own environment, or we can host a trial instance both for free. Email us at support@moonrise.net to get started.